Tip number 10, use the magic words of please and thank you. These words are very important. Smiling to your students, respecting them, and always saying please and thank you, it's just gonna work like magic. I have been working with students from places where people were very difficult with them and they were treating them badly and they were not respecting them. And just because I was asking them gently inside the class to do a certain task, like, would you please open the door? And then I say thank you, they would just feel like this is the first time that somebody respects us. And this has made a huge difference because in the beginning they were like gangsters and they are trying to kill me or something. And later on, they were very much nice to me and they were obeying my instructions out of love and respect. And that helped me a lot with classroom management, and we had a great semester together. So please say thank you to them.